Okay, let's go tell him.
It has to be outside.
All right. You should.
Come, Rooster. I just want to share the secret with one person. The secret name with one person, Black Rooster, and that will be my baby sister, who also now owns you too. I love you, Black Rooster. I hope you love me still. Because I have to share the secret name with one person. And that's okay, right? Right?
Oh, you're being no fun right now. I'm going inside.
Okay. Thank you. I can share it with only one person. Gaga.
You're silly. Okay. Oh, sleeping baby, while we make cupcakes. Well, hoping I make cupcakes, sleeping baby. Sleeping baby.
Well, Heaven's sleeping. We're gonna make cupcakes.
Gonna make cupcakes. Ugh. What are we doing, Hope?
We're making cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Okay, let's make cupcakes. Are you a baker?
Yeah.
Doing your baking?
Yep, I'm baking cupcakes today.
Yep. Oh, it's really pretty outside. And the baby's watching the cupcakes.
My baby sister's also watching me.
We haven't fell asleep while making cupcakes. 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 They look huge. Hope, what are you doing?
I can't open these.
What are you going to do with them?
I'm gonna make a flower.
Okay.
Can you please open them?
Yep. Tell me about your cupcakes.
Uh-uh.
Oh, well, don't do that. Are those your cupcakes? Did you make those cupcakes?
Mm-hmm.
Well, good job, baby girls.
No, big though.
Good job, big girls. There's your cupcakes. Now we gotta clean up the mess. There's the cupcakes.
And I would like to show you this thing.
What?
I need to show them thing.
What?
It's on your hand, so I need to hold it.
I don't want to be in this.
And this is a sticker that I gave to Mom. Now, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
And there's the baby.
Mm-hmm.